Hey y'all, ready to get your griddle on? I am. I'm hungry. And I haven't been to the grocery, so I'm digging through leftovers. And we've got some focaccia bread. There it is. Tomatoes and cheese. Yummy. I've split it in half already. What do you think, Baha? And I'm putting mayonnaise all over it. There's cheese baked into the bread. What did I use this for? Steak? No. Oh, breakfast. A couple days ago. It was really good. Okay. We'll go to the Baja Ball. Sorry. Let's throw down, shall we? Just listen to that sizzle. I turned it all the way up because I wanted to sterilize it, and now it's back down to low, medium, low. Today we're going with sharp cheddar. I think 2 slices will do, don't you? I think so. So let's slap on that. We'll put our handy dandy dome on, cheese melting dome. That's like the handiest thing, except I still need a bigger one. I do have the aluminum disposable pan that I can use for bigger stuff, but that's a temporary thing. I want one of those big Blackstone covers or something. So what do you think? Are we maybe, well, we might need a spatula. Let's use a spatula. It's gonna fall apart as soon as I flip it. And I'll get mayonnaise all over my fingers. Okay, let's rebuild it. We have the technology. There we go. Move that back to the middle. I'm just cooking on one side today. Now reach behind you to get a paper towel. It's a beautiful day. I don't know if you can see the clouds moving in. Look at that. See the clouds. One of the cool things about living in the mountains. Oop. It's nice to have a temperature drop because we don't get that too often in this time of year. It's dropped down to like 65, 68 degrees, and it's noon, so it's really nice. Cheese, oh, you can smell both the cheese and the bread itself. May have been good to add a couple tomatoes too. We'll let the bottom go a little more. And almost done. Well, why'd you put your ball under the griddle? Oh, you got another ball. Sometimes she cheats and she brings 2 balls. Oh, good catch. Okay, almost done. Almost. We can turn it off. Check that out, huh? Yummy. Set you back here for a sec as I pick up this big honking slice of bread. It's a lot better, bigger than it looked like in the package. This is enough for 3 sandwiches. What's that, Baja? The bread is awesome. So, let's bring you around here to enjoy the view with me. Didn't that look pretty? Look how just yummy. It's also very hot. But let's give it a taste. This is awesome. So if you're thinking of getting some bakery focaccia bread with herbs and tomatoes and cheese baked in, it'll make an excellent grilled cheese sandwich. Can't say it's the best yet, but man, this is really good. Okay. I bet you the bread with jalapeno baked in would be even better. Anyway, that's all today's episode. Thanks for watching and have a cheesy day.